update that got leaked though. That's the only one.
Oh my gosh. Everyone go to second floor. We're gonna have a party. Halloween update tomorrow.
Party time? Got it. Hey, come on. Party time? Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we're having a party at second floor.
Party! Guys, if this is a party, can me and him over there make candy?
Yes.
Candy. I ask for candy.
You have long arms.
Come on, guys, let's party! The Halloween update's tomorrow. Lucy's coming back. Lucy's coming back.
Oh yeah, that's what I was excited for.
Because the message of the day says Lucy showed us last year that nothing stays dead.
I got my party hat and my party glasses.
I just sounded creepy when I said that.
I got my party hat. I got my party hat and
Me
my
and
party
Red are
glasses.
gonna make
I got my
candy
party
for
hat and
the
my party glasses.
Let's make this party lit!
Yeah.
Bro,
Everyone come to second floor.
I got my party hat and my party
can I make candy for you guys?
Guys.
We already said yes.
Let's party. Let's party.
Guys, let's make this party lit! Literally.
Yeah, let's light the building on fire.
It hurts.
Who wants a gummy? Who wants a gummy?
Hey, Billy Bob.
Who wants a gummy?
Gummy.
Okay.
Nom nom nom.
Dun,
dun, dun, dun, dun. Long arms. I'm completely
I
long.
can't get out, bro. Then what are you doing? Let's make this party lit!
Around.
I got
I'm just gonna do
the
that.
world around.
Oh, the party is over here.
Come on, join the party, guys. Party updates tomorrow. We need some music in here.
What's happening here?
We're having a Halloween party. Pay attention, y'all.
Can I have more guns?
No one likes a Halloween party.
Why are you having the party?
I got a party hat.
So many customers.
No, we're having a party. Pay attention, goober.
We're having a party.
Boy,
Give me the mouse.
Can I tell you something? Look at my cosmetics. I got a party hat and party glasses for the party.
I'm gonna get my balloon real quick. I'm gonna go get my balloon.
Hold on, let me put on my party hat.
You cannot pass. You cannot pass.
Get up there. It's a party. It's a party up there.
I know, but I had to get my party hat on.
I want to see what you put
I can get a cupcake.
Yeah, get cupcake. Everyone, we're having a party on second floor.
I got my party stuff. I'm ready.
No,
I
we're...
got my party stuff too. I got ice
Come
cream.
on, guys.
I got
I
ice
got a
cream.
cupcake
I'm
for
the
the
ice
party.
cream, sir. I'm the ice cream, sir. I know where we can make ice cream.
You even got the... You got the vape? Oh, you got the music.
Finding a random. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? No, blue. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite
Bro,
color?
we're having a party.
Orange. Your favorite color is orange?
Supposed to be in butter.
I like pink.
What?
Hey, do you want to join the party? Do you want to join the Halloween update party?
You're not invited. Get out here. Everyone's invited. Come on, guys. It's party.
Yeah, we're going to do a party.
We're going.
I wonder what's going on in that corner.
Get out of here.
What are they doing over there?
I just had to go get my...
Okay. So, I'm going to have everyone say bye to the camera. Hold on. I'll do you last because you're... Hey, black. Black with party hat. Black. I'll have these guys. Hold on. Wait, guys. I need you all to get on the shelf. You guys have to say bye to the camera. Say bye to the camera.
We have to say bye to the volcano update.
Bye.
All right.
Bye. Goodbye, volcano update. You were the best update I have ever seen.
Good point.